What's up guys, today I'm gonna train you how to 2 ways to get better at boxing better. Number 1, do not eat like this. No, wrong. Do not even eat like this. Do not do that. Do this. Eat 2 times and then you block. And then you can also watch back. And block and eat always. You always do that. You never let the opponent eat your blocks. If you eat your block, dodge away. So to make sure that you don't eat the block. And if you eat your block, then you might even die. Let me take an example on you. Oh, he's beating me.